So first you have to take off these little screws that are right here. And normally all these things come with these little Allens. I have a bunch of these, so but I'm about to use my regular toolkit tools because it's faster. I don't know, instead of just grabbing this here that be hurting your little fingers, I may use my toolkit, which is actually this toolkit. Is amazing. It's spelled TOOX. A lot of people spell it wrong and look for it, or I don't know if it's supposed to be. Some people think TSX. However it is amazing, and this is all you need to build computers and everything. It even comes with the wristband so that you don't get electrocuted. And there's a bunch of stuff in there, bro. This thing has been amazing to me. Watch. Now you see this pop? They got a iFixit or something like that, and they look identically the same almost. And I'm pretty sure the iFixit is probably, I don't know, the grip probably feels better to people, but this thing does exactly the same thing, and it comes with the same amount of Allen key switches and all this other great stuff. And I've never needed no other tools but these little toolkit to build computers, take apart things on my sim rig. It has every tool I've needed so far, and I have it, I think, for over 3 years. The link's in the description. This is not a sponsored video. All products are bought by me. So what we're doing is we modding or changing the mod from the Thrustmaster into a newer one that I bought to see the difference and the comparison. Because a few weeks ago I made a video with one of these, and this one just feels a little, is lighter. It's by Tiger. Oh my God, how you pronounce that? Oh, you know, I'm not too bright. Anyway, it's spelled Tiger. People pronounce things a lot of different. Everybody wants to be a teacher. So you let me know, or you could hit the link in the description and tell me verbally in my Discord so I understand you. We go help each other grow. Don't be ashamed of nothing. So what he did here was, I think he made this 3D printer and he added holes on the side. Then it's up to you to screw them on to your tightness. And probably he's hoping that you're never going to move these things out of there again, because I'm pretty sure that once you do, you probably mess it all up. I don't appreciate his name all in there looking all crazy. It's not even like done super professional. You was good without that, but I get it. You want to brand it. Maybe you should let people put their own logo. Like I would like it to say Tech for Rec, or my other channel On the Lockout, or my other channel Golden Culture spelled with a K, or On the Lockout Shorts. I don't know. My gaming channel Drifty Boys, anything besides that, my guy. But anyway, it feels super cheap. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break. It just feels light. The one in there, it costs less and it's heavier, and it's been great. You can feel the sturdiness. You can still move. It has a sword that's heavy and you still feel it. Look, I'm banging it and it's not going. You have to put some pressure. You get it? Look. So it's nice and tight in there. And it was way less than this, like probably half. I think this was like $11. That one in there was probably like $3 or $4 on AliExpress. So let's try these Alex. This was supposed to have the clicks, click, click. I don't know if you like that click, click thing, but it's my first time. So let's try with this budget-friendly one. Then we're going to try another one within a week or so. Let me know if you would like to see that other video with a more expensive one. I think the other one is like about $50. Oh my God. So that you don't have to spend your money. So he gives you a little kit and all this stuff. And this is the lock, so it stays down after that and it'll move up. Again, it feels super cheap. This feels like it's going to break. Like you go like this, plop, it'll probably snap. It's 3D printed, and I have another one in there, and I don't know if that one in there is 3D printed, but it feels rubbery. And I guess they charging you the extra money for the Allen keys, which I'm pretty sure most people have their own. But this is a cool gesture. We probably got to stop saying that. They'll stop putting it in there. So this is, he gives you the Allen key for this, and I guess this Allen key is supposed to be for the lock in here, for those other screws. If they, oh yeah, for that little tiny screw. But if I'm not mistaken, let's see, does it fit in here? For these screws? Oh yeah, it fits to your Thrustmaster, which will probably break it. But it does fit the Allens on the Thrustmaster also, so that's cool. You can use it for that and that if you don't have it. So that's good to know, right? So let's get this bad boy on. Let's screw the rest of these whatever they are. They look like bullets on the tip. What a comparison. So you don't want to probably do it all the way right now, because remember, the more you screw them in, the harder it's gonna be for that in between click thing to get through. So I'm showing you a close-up so you understand what we're saying. Now I have this longer shifter stick, and then I have a 75 millimeter one that I added with another handle that I was doing a comparison on this knob. I mean, I got it from AliExpress. This 75 millimeter little stick that goes in there came with the mod that I bought with this shifter mod that's in there. This stick came with it, not the knob, this stick, and it was way less than this. And this didn't come with that. So let's screw this on. It definitely needs a little more screwing. Oh, but that one is thicker. Yeah, this one is definitely a little thicker. But let's get this on. Hold on. We need 2 more, and then we'll be done with it. So it has like a little space and like a little gap in between. So like the other one fits in good. Let's check it out. So when you're done with it, it's gonna look something like this. Hopefully you see it. I don't know if you can see in there any good, but let's try to get a little more focused in here. Or maybe some light will do for you, right? And a little more focused. I don't know how focused or unfocused that is, but that's super unfocused. Okay, I can see it now. So that's focused a little better. So you see in there, and I guess that's not, I guess, I know that's where the this thing is gonna be sliding through. The stick is gonna, you know, the shifter is gonna, and it's gonna be like click. I don't know if that's what you like, but if you like clicks, this definitely sounds like it's gonna click. Now let's get this bad boy on and see what it does. So I'm gonna remove this knob because it's kind of sort of in the way. So once you got something that's strong, it just spins right out, and you can take it out. I put tape around it. You don't need tape. It comes with the little black thing when you first buy it, but the other one didn't. This black piece that's in here that comes on the Thrustmaster does not fit in a lot of other shifter sticks, handles, whatever you call this metal bar here. They don't be fitting in here. This one is like actually thicker that comes with the Thrustmaster than most of them. See, I even had to put a wrench to it one time to get this bad boy out. So the tape is messing up, but so was the thing under there. So from slamming it so much. There's a mod in there we're gonna get to right now, and you see that the toolkit works perfectly, so you don't have to be in there, and it just spins just like that, quick. I mean, I don't want to put no zzz, you get it, machine to this. You don't want to do that. I plan on adding another plate under, a shorter plate, and I have one. It's just black, and I wasn't fond of it just in top of here, because you got to get longer screws in order for 2 plates to be there. For the plate that comes, it came with this mod too. This mod came with a lot for the price. It came with a short plate, but with only 5 gears, and you go around this way instead of just straight up and down for reverse. And I'll show you if I remember But these other screws, and you need a little longer, bro. I want to put the bottom like red. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get the gold, like gold and red, yellow and red, a little black. That's what we pushing for here. The whole what you call that? Oh yeah, flash theme. You know, that's what I've always been doing over here in this setup. I don't know why, but never mind me. The metal plate that comes with the Thrustmaster. Alright? Here comes the plate. This is the plate that comes with the mod that's in there that I'm removing. That never moved, and it's been amazing. This plate comes with that to shorten. That's the first one, not the one we're installing now. That's the first one. This thing seems like crooked, but I'm sorry if it is. But this is the first one that we installing. I mean, that we taking out. And it also came with this situation here. So it'd be like that. And I added the handle. I just didn't like it. I just didn't like that. Because it'll be just like that. Black. You get it? Instead of being chromed. And I think it looked better chrome. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it to try it new. But when I try to put this to seal them both, and we all over the place with the video, but hopefully you stay with me and you consider subscribing, telling a friend to tell a friend. I make this content to try to help others. So I wanted to put it like that. I don't know why, but it wouldn't be valid, right? Because it's not up and down. Oh, hold on. It goes this way. Well, I was still trying to use it like this. It goes there, pop, and there. You get it? So I was trying to use it like that. And that's not bad. But for some reason, the screws don't reach all the way. I don't know. I seen like a light go down here. And maybe it's the flash. It went down. I'm trying to find it. And they don't let me put it back on. But if it did, I'm sorry. I'll try to fix it up again and put it back. But it's not letting me. But anyway, I don't know what you think. Which one look better? I like the silver one for now. So I think the screws is the problem. Now let's get this out of there. We still got to take this plate out. There's another plate still. Holy snap. You know why? Oh yeah, you need this plate in here. There's a thing in here, like a sensor type cable you got to be careful with. Now that I remember it. And you need a different type. You need a regular screwdriver right now. Yeah, it's all starting to come back to me how I did it. There's two screws here. Pop, pop. And that needs to be removed to get to the bottom piece. So it's not that simple. Wow. Now, there's two screws. I don't know if you can see them. I'm pretty sure you can. And these little screws. And I left it kind of loose before. So there's a cable in there. And the cable's attached to the corner. I clipped that off. But then you got to put the cable back neatly so it don't destroy everything. Because you're not going to be able to pull it out. The cable's too short. And they tie it up to the corners there. So I don't know if you can see that mod in there. Especially now that the light went out. But it's a hard rubber. And look, it's nice and there. It was nice and sealed. It never moved up. It never went nowhere. I never even added grease. Most people, I don't know why they started putting grease. Look at it. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it better there like that. It's in there. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting, but I add more lighting to this video. I'm going to have to clip this video. I didn't want to do that. Oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 buddy. Whoa, whoa, buddy. Whoa, whoa. I think you can see in there, right? Can you? Let me know. Can you?